Hi love, in this video I'm going to show you how I revamped this wig, but first I'm going to ventilate the hair around the closure area that is bowed. So what I'm going to do is take out my razor blade and cut hair from the back of the hair, the up parts, and I'm going to cut the hair in a way that it doesn't affect the volume of the hair at that spot where I cut it from. Then I'm going to fold 2 inches of the hair in and use my ventilating needle to fill up the bowed spot on the lace closure while still ensuring that the middle part stays intact. And after I'm done ventilating the hair, what I'm going to do next is to start the process of revamping the wig. But just watch and see how I add the strands of hair to the bowed area on the lace closure. Then I proceed to revamping the wig. So to wash this wig after I ventilated the bald spot, I'm just going to wet it with water. And after wetting it with water, I'm going to use this Tresemme Revitalize Color shampoo. Massage that shampoo generously all over the hair. Add water to the hair just to ensure that the shampoo can take out the dirt in the hair. You can see that the water coming out from the wig is quite brownish. It's soapy and brownish, so the wig is quite dirty. I'm going to rinse that off and then reapply shampoo again to really ensure that the interiors of the wig, that's the wig cap that is being used to make the wig, is well washed, and even the strands of the hair is also thoroughly washed till it's very clean. So I'm going to just massage that shampoo all over the entire hair while I just try to rub the products in and just massage everything with my fingers. Next, after I'm happy with how I've washed the hair well, what I'm going to do is to start rinsing off all of the products from the wig and rinse just keep pouring water, or if you have a running tap, let the water rinse off all of the hair till it's sparkling clean. You can see now the water is a whole lot cleaner. So what I'm going to do is to condition the hair. I'm going to apply that Tresemme conditioner, which is the 24 hours volume conditioner, all over the hair. And I'm going to try as much as possible to be generous because I want the hair to really take in that conditioner, soften the strands, make it healthy. And after applying that conditioner, next I'm going to also apply my deep conditioner. And the deep conditioner I'm using is this one right here, which is the Keratin Moroccan Argan Oil treatment, which is going to just help get the hair to be silk and shiny and very healthy and soft. So I'm going to brush through the hair, and next what I'm going to do is to put the hair in a microwave for about 2 minutes. And after I've heated the hair up in a microwave for about 2 minutes, I'm going to take the wig out and rinse it off. And after rinsing off the wig, taking out all the excess products that the strands of the hair didn't absorb, what I'm going to do next is rinse it like twice to ensure that the water coming out of the wig is completely clean. When I'm pleased with how clean the water is, then I can then proceed to air drying the hair. And after air drying the hair, this is what the wig looks like. You can see that the hair has a healthy shine to it. It's really beautiful, it's luscious, it's really nice. So what I'm about to do right now is to start styling the hair, and I'm going to start sectioning off the up part of the wig by clipping away the up parts. And I'm going to apply this Mania Moroccan Argan Oil Serum to the small section of the hair that I brought out, and I just clipped away one part of that hair that I sectioned off, just to ensure that it'd be easier for me to straighten the hair in according to how it was sewed down step by step. So I sprayed my heat protectant spray, and I'm using my hair straightener to straighten the hair. After I comb through the hair, I use the hair straightener to straighten the hair from one part of the hair over to the other parts of the hair, from the left side towards the middle side and down towards the right side of this wig. And the essence of me working in really small sections is just to ensure that I get this hair to be as perfectly straight as I possibly can get it. So by working in really small sections, you're able to really work on the hair from the very top of the hair to the tip of the hair and get it to look as straight as you want it to be. So as I started working on that second section, I noticed that I actually wanted to bulb the hair. So you notice that from going just straightening it, what I started doing was trying to sort of bulb it in towards the bottom part. You're going to watch me just take that other one that I already straightened at the lower area and just sort of bulb it in. Then I'm going back to the areas that I haven't styled. I just took more hairs from the areas I haven't styled. I applied my Moroccan Argan Oil Serum and also spray the heat protectant spray. And then I'm going to take my comb and comb through the hair, and then use my hair straightener to straighten the hair from the up part all the way to the tip of the hair. And I'm just going to take the hair in a smaller section and straighten it, and also take the other sections that I clipped away and just straighten it until I achieve the desired look that I want. And I'll keep on doing this process until I'm pleased with how the hair looks from one section to another section. If you're watching this video so far and you're getting value out of it, please make sure you smash the like button. Please like this video and also share with somebody who is also going to get value out of it. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, sis, bro, please, what are you waiting for? Please click on the subscribe button right below, and also turn on the post notification bell right beside the subscribe button so you do not miss any uploads from me in the future. I'd really appreciate your support, so please click on that subscribe button. We are trying to get this channel to 15,000 subscribers, so please join this amazing community here on YouTube, and also follow me on my social media platforms. On TikTok, my name is Linda Ezemidolu, and on Instagram is also Linda Ezemidolu. Though I opened a new TikTok account, which is Linda Ezemidolu TV, because my old TikTok account was opened in Nigeria, so I can't monetize the account despite it having over 11k friends. So I had to open a new TikTok account, and I'm just trying to grow that one from scratch. So please, if you want to watch my 1-minute videos, just go on TikTok and follow me at Linda Ezemidolu TV on TikTok, and I'll be really excited to grow the community over there on TikTok. So you can see right about now that I've really styled the bottom part of this hair, and I'm getting towards the up part, which is the hair around the closure area, and of course the hair on the closure area. So what I'm going to do is just brush through that hair, apply my Moroccan argan oil serum all over the hair, spray the heat protectant spray, comb through the hair, and then I'll start cutting the hair in small sections and straightening the hair in small sections. And if you're watching this video and you haven't purchased my ebooks, how to start your hair business, hair extensions, and how to test its quality, please, sis, bro, head over to my website. The link is in the description box to purchase these ebooks from my website. Or if you want to purchase the paperback cover, the book, the physical book, you have to do that from Amazon. The link is also in the description box. So please head over to Amazon and purchase the books on Amazon. So back to this tutorial, you notice that I've literally straightened the entire hair right now. What is left is just the hair around the closure area. So what I'm going to do is to lay any flyaway hairs that I have on the up part of that hair. I'm going to use my hot coiling wand and flatten the hair, the flyaway hairs, after I've used my hair wax on the flyaway hairs. Then for the rest of the hair on the closure area, I'm just using that hair straightener to straighten the hair. While I comb through it, I just use the hair straightener, straighten it, and then bob it towards the bottom part while I comb through the hair, just to ensure that it's going in the direction that I want it to go. And for the hair at the back of the closure area, back of the wig, so I just comb through it and straighten it using that Cloud9 hair straightener. And I take a smaller section of the hair, straighten it, and just comb through the hair, and take the other section of the hair that I haven't straightened and comb through it, of course, and also use my hair straightener to straighten the hair from the top of the hair all the way to the tip of the hair. Yes, I'm just going to keep on working that hair straightener all through the hair until I'm pleased with how it looks. And for the closure area, I just going back to that hair wax and apply the hair wax all over the closure area, sprayed my heat protectant spray, and I'm using that hot coiling wand to flatten the hair around the closure area. If you have your hot comb, you can use your hot comb for this step, but I'm using my hot coiling wand. And you notice something about this closure. I think my client sort of cuts out her lace. She cut it backwards too much. I think probably because she noticed that the hair on the closure area was becoming bowed. So she cut out the lace to minimize that excess lace showing in front. But if she hadn't cut that lace, I would have been able to ventilate the entire bald spot. But she's going to have to just manage this her wig the way it is, because she actually overcut the lace. So I think I've in some of my older videos I've mentioned it before, that when you're wearing your wig, you have to be very careful about how you pull the hair on the wig cap, because if you are pulling the hair on the closure area, you're going to be losing hair on the closure area. Try and pull on the wig cap, not on the strands of the hair in front of the wig. So guys, this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and please give this video a thumbs up if you liked watching this tutorial. I'm going to show you exactly what I started with. This right here is what we started with, and you can see where we are at right now. If you liked the transformation, let me know in the comment section. And if you want to send your wigs for me to Revamp and you're in Lagos, Nigeria, send me a DM on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and check out my other videos. Bye, love.